Part two is to show you, you know, come out here on the waters. Yeah, we can do whatever we want. You come out, you have fun, enjoy your life. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. That's what we do out here. Like and share, subscribe, please and thank you. I would greatly appreciate it. We got a little artwork here. We got a lot of talent, you know. Yeah. Smells so nice down here. Smell the fresh water. There you go, the fresh water right here. That's like a beautiful fall. Thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it. We got like 5 more falls that way. Yeah, guys. You guys know what this is? It's amazing, isn't it? You can bring your lawn chair. You can barbecue right here. Yeah. Yeah, guys. It's my little area over there. You actually have like some tortoise in here, like some big tortoise. But we're not going to see them now, I guess. But maybe later down in the summertime, we can probably.